The danger is, hey, you receive some of this light that's given to you in written word or in a talk from the pulpit, and you think that's all there is. That's dangerous. Because what the Lord wants is, hey, I'm giving you these eternal symbols, these eternal truths, and now you have power to ponder them and seek after the deeper understandings in a way that you can receive directly through the Spirit, directly from God, and expand your understanding of eternal truth. And what's difficult is each of us has to go through that process individually. We have to go through the covenant path, go to the temple, and then go back home, go to our closets, commune with the Lord, spend time seeking after deeper understandings of these things. And that's where we truly gain individual power in the priesthood, is as we come to these individual revelations and understandings. It's a very individual thing that has to happen, and it's a little bit of a lonely process, because when you receive powerful understanding and deeper understanding of doctrines and eternal truths, you can't easily turn around and share them with somebody in spoken word or in writing. It's a very difficult process because everyone's at a different place in this process. Like, even Jesus didn't do it that way. He had to give symbols and parables and let people work it out on their own, because it has to, that line upon line process, that spiritual journey of discovery of eternal truths, it has to happen within the individual. And the strange act that the Lord gives us through his house that he has designed to endow us with power from on high, what he's giving us is the keys and are the tools necessary for us to individually take control of our salvation and our spiritual journey, and move as fast as we have strength and desire to move forward and progress.
Yeah, that's actually really important, because, and we talked about this a little bit before we started recording, but that personal journey, that disciples journey down the covenant path, it is one thing, and it is a starting point for people to be able to, I don't want to say simply regurgitate the teachings of the church, for the gospel, because it's more than that. I mean, they want you to understand the basics, the fundamental principles of the gospel. But understand, they're just that. They're just the foundation. There's so much more to be understood through each of the principles and ordinances of the gospel, through each of the covenants we enter into, if we're willing to go after those truths and those understandings.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.